And Allah says, if you have anyone, I will leave you on the day of judgment with that thing. I leave you. تَرَكْتُهُ وَشِرْكُهُ. Go. You prefer this human being over me? Go. In fact, he leaves you here. He leaves you here with this. And subhanAllah, there's many hadiths of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. It's one of the ones that comes, the meaning, I don't recall the exact wording, when he says the meaning of whenever you prefer something over Allah. Pay attention to this. Whenever you prefer something over Allah. Again, you, beauty, family, husband, work, you name it, whatever, people, over Allah. He said the meaning of you will be tortured by that thing. SubhanAllah. Anything you put above Allah, you take off your hijab, or you don't wear your hijab because you're worried they will not hire you or they will fire you. That job, you will suffer in it. Even by two, not necessarily, because we think of suffer always in a negative way. No. The job will be the best and you will be paid the best, but you will be so attached to the job that's taking your life. That's torture. Versus if I said, you know what? I'm coming with hijab. You want to fire me? Fire me, because the rizq has come from Allah.